Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another vlog. It's my birthday in a couple of days, 20th October. So right now I'm just preparing for my birthday and I'm about to go and get my nails done and get some other stuff that I will need. So yeah, let's go. Please make sure you keep watching, make sure you like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Now let's go get our nails done. Guys, I just finished doing my nails and we're currently at Milk. I'm trying to get wine, candles, sparklers and candy maybe, I'm not sure. So we'll just pick up a bunch of stuff. What are you looking for? Olive oil. Okay.
GUYZ, the producer.
We got gummy bears, we got olive oil, we got, my roommate got this wine, she likes wine, so we got this. I got this for myself, and then we got juice and tea, of course, mint and Earl Grey. This is really nice. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We got incense as well. What's up guys? So it's been 2 days since the last clip you just saw and I just realized that I didn't show you guys my nails, and this is what I got done. This was not the initial plan though. I wanted to do something else but she couldn't do it, so I had to stick with this. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't really like my nails when I get them done. I kind of like grow into them eventually, but that's by the way. Anyway, tomorrow is my birthday and I ordered some cupcakes that I will go pick up later. I'll also go to the market to buy a few stuff. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for today. So let's go. Honestly, yeah, the funny thing is I actually have zero plans for my birthday. I just want to sit inside my room, eat my cake, eat my food and drink and rest, to be honest, because I can't come and kill myself. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, and let's go.
One eternity later.
Guys, I don't know if you can see me, but it's what's that now? I think it's about 6:30 or 6:40 ish, and I'm now going to pick up the cake because she couldn't get it done earlier. So thankfully it's not far from my hostel, so we're gonna pick it up and I'll show you guys when I get there. Yeah.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
Munirat, my baby, the one and only love of my life. Oh my god, happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to me.
Can you tell how happy I am? It's my birthday. Hey guys, guess what time it is? It's my birthday. So guys, it's my birthday today, as you can see. I woke up a while ago and it's currently like 9 a.m. ish. I have already brushed my teeth, washed my face, and I'm hungry, so I'm going to make myself some tea and maybe eat it with one of the cupcakes I got yesterday. I'm wearing my mom's t-shirt that I stole 2 years ago. So shout out to you if you're watching this video. I love you. Yeah, so after breakfast I'm probably going to take a shower and just do my makeup, take some pictures, make some food, you know, chill with my friends and my family. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to show you guys everything I'm gonna do, so make sure you keep watching. And yeah,
GUYZ, the producer.
Everything that's nothing compared to what's coming.
I don't know what's in there.
It's not a game.
GUYZ, the producer.
hey guys, so I just finished my makeup and I think it's pretty good. I'm not feeling lashes today, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm about to put on my outfit and just take some pictures and just chill and eat and maybe watch a movie or something, because yeah, so guys, we're trying to take pictures and this is our little setup. A little setup.
This sounds art amazing.
Okay. This thing actually scares me. Hi. Hi, me. I think I want to do this thing again now. Will it pop?
I don't think so. You're suffering.
Underwhelming.
Happy birthday, Munirat. My sweet Munirat, my sister. Anyways, I hope you have a really nice day and an amazing year ahead. And I hope to talk to you very soon. Take care. Happy birthday, baby girl. I wish you long life, prosperity, good health, everything. Please send me money. Sorry. You don't have money. But send me pictures at least. Send me posts, send me pictures. Have fun today. Yeah.